Hi, I'm Mike Wells, your Pasco County property appraiser.
And I'm Mike Fasano, your Pasco County tax collector.
Purchasing a new home is an exciting time. Whether you're a longtime resident or new to Florida, we'd like to share important information with you about how to save money on property taxes throughout the lifetime of your investment.
That's right, Mike. The steps you take after closing have a direct impact on property tax notices our office sends out to you each fall. And even though our offices do not set the millage rate or the tax rate, your value and exemptions have a direct relationship to the taxes ultimately owed.
So let's talk about assessment, values, and exemptions. As a new homeowner, your realtor and other professionals involved in your closing should have shared accurate estimates of what to expect moving forward. First and foremost, in Florida, value resets at the time of sale or ownership transfer. That means that if you purchased a home for $300,000, we will assign a market value based upon that. Florida's level of assessment is 100%. Less reasonable cost of sale, which means our values should be approximately 85% of the recorded sale price. It's important to note that this is where your assessment journey begins, based on those new numbers. This process follows the ownership, not the dwelling. Meaning if you bought a home from a longtime owner who purchased it for far less many years ago, that prior owner's taxes will not be an indicator of yours. You can expect a substantial change in just and taxable value. So what can you do to maximize your dollars moving forward? Put simply, exemptions are your best protection against rising costs. Florida protects its homeowners well with homestead and other exemptions, as well as the Save Our Homes assessment cap, which limits annual value increase to a maximum of 3% in most cases. Homestead provides a $50,000 assessment reduction for Florida homeowners who are permanent residents. That equates to roughly an $800 savings on your annual bill. Applicants must meet the required criteria by January 1. This means you own and occupy the home. We make it easy to apply online at pascopa.com or in person at any of our 3 offices. Other exemptions are available as well for the blind, disabled, widowed, active duty military, veterans, and more. Call 727-847-8151 today to speak with one of our knowledgeable team members to ensure you're receiving every exemption you're entitled to.
Great advice for homeowners, Mike. Let's talk about what all of this looks like in terms of taxes. Yearly on October 31st of our office, we mail out the tax notices to begin the process of collecting tax. By Florida law, there are 4 separate discount periods for paying your tax notice. 4% in November, 3% in December, 2% in January, and 1% in February. Taxes are due by March 31st yearly and become delinquent April 1. Now, if you have an escrow account where your mortgage company pays your taxes, you will receive an informational notice only for your records. Your mortgage company will pay your taxes out of your escrow account by November 30th to take advantage of that 4% discount period. If you do not have an escrow account, you will receive a tax notice from our office that you will pay in a variety of ways. We accept cash, money order, bank check, and all major credit debit cards in our 5 offices. You may also pay online. We accept credit, debit cards, and e-checks. Lastly, if you want to pay your taxes via wire transfer, we can accommodate that as well. Please call our office for instructions. Finally, enclosed with your tax notice, you will find a guide that explains all the ins and outs of the information of your tax notice. This guide is called Understanding Your Tax Notice. It is a wealth of information explaining in detail what can sometimes be a daunting task to decipher yourself. I would encourage you to read that in its entirety for more information about paying your taxes. As always, though, please feel free to reach out to our office with any questions, and we will be glad to help.
We thank you for watching this video today. We want your time in our offices to be smooth and successful.
Mike and I have a passion for serving our Pasco community and wish you all the best. Please don't hesitate to reach out. We are always here to help.